everyone. Today is the last day that I'm going to be driving this car naturally aspirated, or I should say the last day you're going to see this car naturally aspirated on the channel. Tomorrow I'm going to be dropping off my car for the supercharger install. Super excited for that. Should be able to get it back hopefully, I'm going to say within a week. Obviously, you know, things happen, you know, unexpected things can happen, so I don't want to jinx anything and say I'm going to get it back one day and then it's actually a couple days later. So hopefully everything will be done within a week, and then we will be starting the next chapter with this car. Now, this is actually kind of crazy because everything's kind of just working out the way I was planning for it to work out. We're going to get it boosted, you know, pretty much right in the beginning, or kind of the beginning-ish of summer. It's like June, was it 14th today? So that's about right. And honestly, this is about the time that I kind of wanted to start the install as well, around like the middle of June, to hopefully have everything, you know, installed, dynoed, and tuned by the end of June, and then I can enjoy it, you know, all through, you know, July, August, September, stuff like that. So awesome. We made some good timing. You guys have been absolutely killing the support on the channel. I really do appreciate you guys over on the second channel, man. It's just really just fun just making this content, just cruising, just talking and stuff like that. I just kind of wanted just to document, you know, the last day that pretty much just going to be really actually driving the car, you know, naturally aspirated. I still have half a tank of E85 in the car right now. I need to drain this until the gas light comes on, or at least, you know, close to the gas light to come on. I got like a 25-30 minute drive tomorrow, so hopefully after today, and then after I drop it off tomorrow, the gas light is on, so I can just flash this car back to stock, and then you know, we can install the supercharger, and then I can put the pretty much like the flash tune on it, so I can at least drive it safely until I get it tuned at a dyno around the 26th of June. So everything's pretty much working out pretty well, man. For those of you who have boosted 86s, like, let me know down in the comment section how the whole process went after the install. Like, did you guys get a dyno tune immediately, or did you guys just get like a safety tune for like a week or so and then dyno it? Because honestly, like, I got a safety tune because I mean, I'm not trying to wait that much longer to go ahead and get this dyno tuned, because that was like the earliest potential date that I could get it dynoed. Like I said, obviously things can happen, so I want to be able to drive the car. It's going to be nice as hell this week, so hopefully, like I said, hopefully I can get this car back, like, I want to say like probably like Friday next week at the latest, hopefully. That'd be absolutely amazing. Yeah, it's so fucking nice outside. So nice outside. Some things I still need to get for the car though is I need to get gauges, I need to get an oil cooler, and I also need to get a new front pipe as well with no cats in it, but we'll see. And I also need to get a flex fuel kit with this car as well, with bigger injectors and a different fuel pump. But I want to see what the numbers the car is putting down on 93 with stock internals, with just pretty much a bolt-on supercharger just slapped on it with an unequal length header. So I think that we should be around, probably, honestly, anything over 260 I'll be happy, which I know we're gonna hit 260, but I think that'd be a good number. Ooh, that's my clutch right there. Shit, gonna need a new clutch soon too. My clutch is starting to slip. Alright, it's like, I don't even know, like, I don't know if it's slipping or like maybe I need a new throw out bearing or something, but my clutch is definitely starting to act up a little bit, even naturally aspirated. So we'll see how long this clutch lasts. Honestly, I'm really clutch does last with the supercharger on it. Hopefully it lasts at least a month. That'd be awesome. If it lasts a month, that'd be cool. But if I know that it's gonna fuck up, I'm just gonna stop driving the car, get a clutch, and then put the new clutch in. We'll be down for like maybe like a week until to come in, but I don't want the clutch to fail on me while I'm driving. That would actually really fucking suck. It's my clutch again, man. Otherly here, I think it's my throw out bearing. That has to be that. I really do hope this fucking clutch lasts. Like, that'd be crazy. If my shit like slips the first day, oh man, or if it just completely just fails the first day. I mean, I'm not gonna lie, that'd be kind of funny, but that would suck. Man, I'm just honestly, I'm thinking like shit. Because I know the stock clutch is rated to like 350, but hey man, this thing is making a lot of noises. I hope it's just the bearing, man, but jeez. Shifting into second, or if I'm just trying to pull out somewhere in first gear, it's like a ping noise. And then today when I was trying to pull out like my driveway and shit, like it felt like it was rubber bandaged. Like something is definitely going on. We'll see what happens when we boost the car. Hopefully it does last. Oh man, I'm gonna make sure I don't do any hard pulls, like really hard pulls. Like I'm gonna drive the car, don't get me wrong. I'm going to drive the car, but I'm gonna make sure I don't do any significantly like hard pulls, like consecutively, like back to back to back to back, until I actually get a proper dyno tune. Because that's when I think things can go wrong, is during that period where it's on the flash tune and not the dyno tune. Like technically I can drive the car around like on a flash tune and never get a dyno tune, but just to be safe, I'm gonna get it like an actual dyno tune so I know exactly where the car is at. And definitely gonna have to go over and check my clutch, everything. That oil cooler is gonna have to get bought too, even though I don't track the car, but still, I'm still gonna get it just to be, there it goes. Even though I kind of did a rocky ass launch right there, or pull out, but yeah, I think it's just, I don't know, we'll see. This is gonna be the last day, like I said, driving the car, and damn bro, like my fucking shit's acted up the last day. Well, actually, technically, this thing has been acted up for like a month with the clutch, like that ping noise. But damn, it was different today. But let me know, like I said, for those of you who have boosted 86s, what do you guys experiences as soon as you guys boost the car? And voice that down in the comment section. This is gonna be really interesting, man. Like, holy shit, my clutch is literally about to go out. Wow. Well, let me know, like I said, down in the comment section. And yeah, I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video. The next video, most likely, it will not be the reveal of like the car starting